Hey guys, happy Tuesday. We got another kit to look at. This is AMT ertl's Sunoco Oldsmobile by Sterling Marlin. It is dated 1991. There's the box art. Switch the camera around so you guys can take a look. Here's this side. There's that side. That's better. Alright, here's our instructions. Our decal sheet, which is a little suspect in some areas, especially this side here. The sunoco on the roof is kind of boogered up, so I might have to clear them. This one here looks good though. So does this, so do these. So do the Oldsmobile ones, but yeah, this one's kind of boogered. And this one's kind of boogered up. But if they don't fall apart, it would just look like it been rubbed on. Here's our little race fan brochure, our blueprinter. Here's our tires. One side is black, the other side has Goodyear. 4 of those. Here's our windows. I don't see the side glass though. They're a metal axle. Here's our chrome, our valve covers, our rims, air cleaner shifter, our jack, alternator, here's our wheel backs, our gas can, dry shaft, shocks, front suspension, our brake rotors, here's our roll cage, fuel cell, seat, exhaust, roll bars. The rest of our roll cage, our dash, radiator, firewall. Here's our headers, our engine, intake, heads, rear suspension, differential, pedals, steering wheel, brake rotors, shock or springs, carburetor linkage. I might have to buy a donor kit for this just to salvage the parts I'm missing. Here's our bumper, spoiler, trunk lid, our hood, more suspension pieces, radiator support, etc. Yeah, it's definitely missing the side glass. Oh no, it's not, because that, I forget, that whole back window includes the back window and the glass, so I'm not missing any glass. All right, whew, good deal. All right, here's our frame. I forgot that they were attached to the back glass. That was all one piece on the Oldsmobile. So yeah, hopefully I can salvage this decal here and this one. If they don't fall apart, it'll just look like, you know, it's been rubbed on from racing. But it looks like it's just paper stuck to it, maybe. The rest of these look like they're in good shape. They're not yellowed or anything. Here's our Oldsmobile body. A little bit of flash, nothing terrible. There's the front. Very weird how they made that just one piece. That'll be fun to try and glue in. So there we go, the 1991 AMT ertl Sunoco Ultra Oldsmobile, driven by Sterling Marlin. Can't wait to build it. I think I have this color blue. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully I earned your like on it. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. We just hit 600 subs. And then I think when we get to 1,000, I'm going to give a couple kits away. Other than that, you guys all have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.